So this is Carollyne, my partner, Carollyne Baylor. Carollyne's from Paris. I'm from London. And we are an amazing, great team. And together we've really taken Master Cutter Academy to another level. Because now we have specialized continuing education classes. And the workshops are on a different level. Carollyne's quite brilliant. Thank you. Quite brilliant. I cut hair, but Carollyne's great with business, and she's an amazing coach. She's really helped me with my stylist students, helping them get the best of what they can be. And we really do that in our trade secret workshop, which you're coming to, which we have every 3 or 4 months, which is an amazing workshop. Because if you want to find out, go ahead, tell them a little bit.
Thank you for being here. I know it's an early morning on Sunday, but there's nowhere else you will want to be today, especially training with Laara. It's really exceptional. So a little bit of myself. So I've been a life coach, and I've been a consultant, and I work with stylists to help them with their style and also where they want to be in their career. So Trade Secret was created for that purpose. And so basically we incorporate business, motivation, and hair cutting. It's 1 day, it's intensive, it's absolutely phenomenal. Just to make a quick introduction, Laara is really the master hair cutter. I've never met someone like this. Not only her energy, the way she teaches and the passion she has to help anybody to be better, to be more confident, and to achieve anything they want. So Laara has been really exceptional and a great partner to work with, and I'm excited. Is there anything I'm missing?
I don't know.
Probably a lot.